Explain how to change felt. First, the felt is placed behind the beam. Pull through the middle of the clips on both sides of the beam. Through the front roller. Remove the rear bezel. Someone needs to go down here to pull the arrangement. There is an adjustment shaft at the bottom of the machine at the front and back. Need to pass under the adjustment shaft. A layer of plastic film needs to be laid on the interface of the felt. Prevent glue from sticking to the platform. Alignment interface. There must be no gaps here. Apply glue evenly to the interface. Press flat. Take 2 rectangular pieces of cloth. Stick the 2 ends of the felt to make it wear resistant. The glue can be applied a little more. Glue the joints. Wait for 4 to 5 hours and you can use it directly.